Hey, what's up? Richard McManus from Digital Assault with a simple Photoshop tutorial. What we're going to do today is remove a background from an image in Photoshop, so let's get started. With Photoshop open, you can drag and drop your image into Photoshop. Generally, the first thing I do is to duplicate the layer. This keeps the original image as it is without risk of accidentally or permanently messing it up. A window will appear, giving you a chance to rename the layer. Give it whatever name you want. Since this photo is of Nikki Sixx's bass guitar, I'll name this layer Nikki Sixx Bass. Then click OK. You can hide the original layer by clicking on the eye. You won't need this anymore. With the new layer selected, we want to right-click your mouse and then rasterize the layer. Rasterizing the layer allows you to edit the pixels that make up the image. When the layer is not rasterized, it'll have a small square in the layer thumbnail. When rasterized, the thumbnail will not have that square. Next, what you want to do is click on the magic wand tool at the top left side of the screen. With the magic wand selected, check the tolerance level. I usually keep this between 20 and 50 depending on what I'm doing. You'll also want to look at the continuous button to make sure it's checked. What this does is select everything that is the same color or connected or touching in the layer that you're working in. Once all that's good to go, drag your cursor over the background of your image and then click. When you're learning to delete backgrounds with this technique, it's a lot easier to use a background that is one solid color. When there's multiple colors or gradients, this technique becomes really difficult and very time-consuming. Once you've clicked on the background, you'll see it outlined in marching ants. My image has a lot of contrast between the image and the background, so it's easy for Photoshop to recognize the lines. If the marching ants aren't cleanly outlining the edge of your image, you may need to adjust this manually. We'll go over that in another tutorial. For now, our outline is clean and we're ready to delete the background. Now just hit the delete button and the selected area should disappear. You will see a gray and white checkerboard pattern where the background used to be. This means there's nothing there and it's transparent. Go to the top of the screen and click Select. Then in the drop-down, click Deselect to clear the selected area or the marching ants. I'll show you the original image so you can see the difference. The last thing you need to do is save your image. In order to keep the background transparent, you need to save this image as a GIF. Some people say GIF, some people say GIF, whatever you want. Click File at the top left of the screen. When the window comes up, click Save As. A new window will come up allowing you to rename your file, choose the location where you want to save that file, and select the format of the file. Again, the file format must be a GIF. If you choose JPEG, it'll add a white background to your image, and that's not what we want to do. There you have it, a simple Photoshop tutorial on removing background from an image. Let me know if you liked the tutorial by leaving a like and a comment. Also, let me know what you want me to cover next by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Richard McManus for Digital Assault. Thanks for watching. See you later.